C6 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Good looking one too, 2008 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, right at approximately 41,000 miles on the odometer at the moment. We'll take a look at it here in a little bit, start it up, check the exact miles. But first, let's take a peek at this front fascia. That nose of the car, very clean on this particular car. Crystal red metallic. Ebony leather interior. Of course, the LS3 6.2 liter underneath the hood. Automatic with overdrive transmission, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. You can see that paint shows well on this one, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. You might have a couple just little minor pebble chips or what have you that's been touched up, but again, overall paint really showing well on this car. What you'd expect on a clean Carfax, well taken care of Corvette. All right, still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, cargo area, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's gonna take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on a nice looking chrome wheel, Michelin radial tires. Technician did note the tires will need attention sometime in the future. Still drives out very well, no shakes, no shimmies, brakes straight. Brakes are actually 80% in the front, 90% in the rear, but the tires are just starting to get up there in age. You can see the passenger side of the car also nice and clean, not full of major nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, bucket seat, center console, electronic dual climate control, AM, FM, CD player, and we will get around to the driver's side started up. Like I said, we're going to show you the exact miles on the car. Take a peek underneath the hood. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. You'll see a copy of the window sticker. Picture that in with the still pictures. And that's going to tell you about the upgraded paint. Of course, the crystal red metallic, a little more expensive paint back in 08. Dual exhaust mode. Does have the transparent removable top, and you're going to see that in the still pictures. Obviously, we have it removed and in the cargo area for the walk around video here. It's also going to come with a car cover, the front license plate bracket, and a showroom brochure we'll put back in the car, and you'll see those things in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Corvettes, no matter what vintage, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor and up and down this driver's side. You can also see free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. All right, so door panels. Nice shape, Bose stereo system, of course memory seating, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat over here on the driver's side. Again, those are heated seats, both sides. Steering wheel controls, heads up display, nicely equipped car. And let's go ahead and check out those exact miles. Previous owner's name, and here we go, 41,659. And obviously that information center is programmable. You can put your own name in there, nickname, just make it blank, however you'd like it. Dash looks good. I can vouch for the AC blowing cold, burr. Of course, power, tilt, and telescopic steering column. Excuse me, I take that back. Manual, tilt. And let you take a listen. Sounding good. Let me go ahead and pop this hood a second. I think we know how it's going to look underneath here. Nice and clean and tidy, judging by the rest of this car. Hood struts work well. Hood liner clean. Doesn't appear it's been driven really in any sort of bad weather, inclement weather, if you will. Wow, look at that engine bay. That is clean. A lot of bang for the buck. These C6s now. This was shoot close to probably a $60,000 car when it was new. Not a lot of miles on it. A lot of life left in it and well maintained. 2008 Chevrolet Corvette, clean Carfax. A little over 41,000 miles. Check out the still pictures. You want to see exactly how it's equipped. Look at the window sticker. UniqueClassicCars.com. Number to call, 507-386-1726. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 2008 Chevrolet Corvette. We have a see-through removable top, target top on this car right now. This is an automatic right here on the center console, so it's easy to drive. All the performance characteristics you come to expect from Corvette, alive and well in this car. Also nice, quiet, refined ride. Cruise control is working. Our temperature gauge reads about 190. The oil pressure 45 to 50 psi. The battery's charging over 14 volts. And our fuel tank shows completely full. Tach and speedometer also working well. Stereo working well. Nice condition interior. Leather bucket seats for the Corvette. Steering wheel controls, also shift capable right on the steering wheel. Heads-up display giving me my speed, the tachometer, the G's, and the engine temperature currently. Brakes nice and smooth. As you can see, it is wintertime in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles well, so we can do these driving videos for you. Corners nice and flat the way a Corvette should. And being an automatic, you just put your foot down and feel those G's. Very fun car to drive, 2008 Corvette. See all the pictures over at IndyClassicCars.com.